POW. Shout out to POW, bro. Hold up. Oh, what is this? This came up 4 days ago? Holy shit. I'm late. POW Wallflowers. Now, POW, I got to work with them on my podcast a while back. I think one of my first episodes I filmed was with POW. So shout out to them. Friend of the show of Ultimate Bias K-Pop cast, which is my podcast. Guys, we just announced our new host, who is Skylar with Sky. She's a dope content creator. You probably seen her or seen her, like we tagged each other or something like that here and there. She's such a nice person. But yeah, POW Wallflowers. Let's see it. Oh, this looks fire. Wait, hold on. They went the whoop. They went with the whoop. Let me go back. Whoa, the piano. Oh, I like the piano. I like the dance.
I stepped it in fresh. You're the reason.
Ooh.
But I'm barely breathing.
Ooh.
Got caught me up in the spin. Oh 넌 달라져 많고많은 사랑 속 내 솔직한 모습을 사랑해 줄 것 같아 이제 내게 기회 줘 마음속에 스미도록
Yeah.
I need to see you now. I want your attention.
Ooh. Oh, it's different. I like the piano on this. Let's go, POW. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Hold up. I'm vibing with this chat. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, playlist this. Adding this to the playlist already. Yeah. This is a title track? Are they a duo? Who? POW? POW's a group. Hey! Sorry, I'm adding this to the list. Add to the likes. Ooh! Hey! Wait, the flowers on the wall. Wait, the flowers on the wall. Yeah! Hey! It's such a nice blend of K-pop, K-R&B, and a bit of jazz elements for sure, bro. Ooh! Oh! This is a vibe. I like this vibe. Yo, give it up for... And it looks like a flower blooming. Give it up to POW, y'all. Yo, give it up to POW, bro. They killed that. They killed. Let me get some love. Like hype it up, chat. Give it up for POW. This is POW. Wallflower. I downloaded it already. Is it just a single? It is a single. Okay. Well, I'm download it, add it to the likes, add it to the playlist for sure. Dang. That was fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join a Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-Pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-Pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.